So you lived on both sides of the compliance journey, helping others with security and going through it with yourself. How would you say compliance has helped sharpen your broader security goals?
So I make a distinction between compliance and security. They're not always the same. You can be compliant without being secure. But compliance establishes a minimum baseline of the security standards that you need to try and meet. And one of the things I enjoy about Scrut Automation, and the reason I wanted to talk to you about this, is to share how easy they made it to hit those minimum bars and make sure that we're focusing on the right thing and that we're not overlooking the important things that are required.
Yeah, that's something we hear a lot. Compliance is a daunting task for a lot of people, especially smaller organizations. And what we do, and I think what separates us from a lot of the other competition, is the hands-on kind of expert-guided approach that we provide. So your team can focus only on the tasks that are most relevant to your compliance goals.
And that's been our experience, absolutely. I appreciate the white glove service that we've received from the time that we signed up and said we wanted to do it until we received our certification. Your team was there for us.